How to use Instagram beginner's guide. Today I'll show you how to use Instagram as a beginner, whether you want to post photos, share stories, or explore content. Let's dive right in. First things first, download Instagram from the App Store or Google Play Store. Simply open your phone store and simply search for Instagram and make sure to download it. Once you've done that, simply open it. Now you'll be taken to your sign up or login page. If you don't have an account, you can simply tap on create new account. Simply create a username. It could be anything like tap on next. Once you've done that, simply create a password. After you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your email or phone number. Just do that. Once you've done that, you'll be logged into your account. Now let's set up your profile. Just tap on the bottom right corner to go to your account settings. From there, simply tap on edit profile. From here, you can simply tap on edit profile to add your profile picture. You can choose from library. You can import from Facebook as well, or you can also take a picture. After you've done that, you can simply enter your bio, whatever you prefer. You can also add your website links. You can add a music and a gender, your gender as well. Once you've done that, let's move on to the next step. Here in the home page, you can scroll to see posts from people you follow. Now in the search bar, you can find accounts, hashtags, and trending content. Now in the Reels tab, you can simply watch short entertaining videos. And on your profile, you can see your post and edit settings. Now if you want to add a photo or video, simply tap on the plus icon at the middle of the screen. Select a photo or video from your gallery. Once you've done that, simply tap on next and click on next again. Here you can simply add a caption, location, and hashtags. Simply tap on share and your first Instagram post will be live. As you can see here, our post is over there. Now to add story, what you need to do is tap on your story, or you can swipe right, and here you can take a photo or video, or you can also upload from gallery. Here you can simply add stickers, text, and effects, and once you're ready, simply tap on share to your story. Now to send message and DMs, simply tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can simply select a friend or search for a user. Simply type a message and simply tap on send. And that's how you can simply send message to anyone. And that's a beginner's guide to Instagram.